Hey everyone, I decided, okay, I decided to go ahead and just send a video to show y'all kind of how these two books work together because I know it's confusing and I think it's pretty hard for the kiddos to relay all the information that we gave them this week to y'all at home. So, just so you know, this will be what we work out of in class. We'll have the spiral. Get it open here. All right, so this is the week 1 lesson. And you see right here, we have week 1, day 1. So in class on Mondays, for example, we will cover day 1 and day 2 of that particular week. And we'll go through this checklist here at the top, and we will make all the fixes in day 1 and day 2. When you are at home, on your home days, you will use your binder. You'll open up the binder to the second tab, which is the rewrite tab. You should have some notebook paper in there. You can put some notebook paper in. And what you're going to do is you are going to have your student rewrite the sentences from day 1 and day 2 correctly. So after we've fixed them in class, they will now be able to copy them on this notebook paper correctly. So that's one thing you'll need to be checking for before you initial, is to make sure that they've capitalized correctly, used the correct punctuation, and made sure that all the fixes are represented here in the rewrite. You will date and initial the work that you did at home for that day. So for example, this is my daughter Ada's binder, and she's in Miss Wacker's class. And so they actually did the rewrite for day 1 together in class. So that's their work there. And then Ada and I just completed this here at home. And so I put today's date and I initialed the work right there. By the end of the year, they will have written their own full copy of the story of the nose tree, which is pretty cool. So the second part of the work that occurs in your binder is here in the definitions tab. So we'll pull this back here, and I'm going to switch back over here just for a minute to the spiral. So at home, you will use the spiral to basically identify the bolded words in each sentence. There we go. And then you will have your child look up these words and find the definitions for them. And you can then write those definitions in the definitions, behind the definitions tab in your binder. And again, you'll just want to date and initial after your child has completed the work. And one thing that is completely acceptable, rather than writing a full-out definition, use a thesaurus and just write a few other words that mean the same thing. I would just want to make sure that the context is correct. Look for the way that the word is used in the sentence, in the story, and just make sure that your definition or your synonyms reflect the context of the story. I hope that this is helpful, and if you have any other questions, just let me know. Thanks. Bye.